Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I wasn't sure if I was going to because I was sick last week, so I'm kind of getting a late start on it. I'm doing week by week instead of day by day. I just got done from the doctor. I'm going to get Starbucks and then I'm going to go home and make some food. I am hungry. I have a couple packages coming, so I'm going to do an unboxing, but I'm going to do a try on haul very soon, so look forward to that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Now that I'm finally home and I've eaten and it's like 2 o'clock already, I am going to film a YouTube video, so I'm gonna put my hair up and do my makeup. I am so excited to get my hair done tomorrow. It's looking a mess. I need layers, I need a trim. My split ends are so bad, and I need my bangs trimmed. Like, look at that. It's like in my face. I think I'm gonna get like actual bangs instead of just like the regular curtain bangs. But anyways, I'm doing makeup now. I really don't have that much planned for December. I'm really just trying to like spend time with family, and I need to stop shopping. So this haul that I'm doing, and you see my last haul for like, okay, it's not gonna be my last haul, let's just say that. It just needs to, I don't know, it just needs to stop. The madness needs to stop because I can't stop shopping, and it's so bad that my bank account is not cute. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna put my foundation on. I've been using this Merit foundation stick. I actually really like it. It's like, need to save money so I can move out again, because that is a struggle as I'm home with my parents and I'm 23 and I really just want to move and like be an adult again, even though it kind of sucks. But I had to find a job first. Also, look at my, oh, I didn't blend that. Look at my little acne scar. I had this pimple or whatever, like I guess it was cystic acne or something, but it was underneath the skin and it wouldn't go away. So I had to go to the dermatologist, and he had to like inject this needle into my face, and I think it was like steroids or something, and it took the swelling down, but like that shit wouldn't go away, and it was so bad. I like had to wear like a turtleneck and a scarf, and I was just like wrapping, because like you can't hide a bump, you know. But definitely recommend go to a dermatologist, because if I went sooner I probably wouldn't have had a mark on my face. So if you have a bump that won't come to a head, go to the dermatologist and get that injected. Okay, look at this. This is my new favorite, but oh, what is that? A new favorite blush. It's by Merit and it's in the shade Mood. I love this color so much. It's so creamy. Oh my god, what is in my eye? It gives me like, it like makes me feel like a winter kiss. Like it gives winter kiss vibes. Here is the finished look. I'm gonna go film my video and I'll be right back. I was planning to make this video like in a separate, like a whole video by itself, but I decided to just do it now. I'm going to show you what I got for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. First is Victoria's Secret. I got quite a bit. I got these pajamas, little reddish pink. Is it reddish pink? It's like a reddish, I just think it's more reddish, with some sparkle in the matching bottoms. Okay, I made a TikTok about these. They're these tights that I found. They're like a universal shade, I guess. It's supposed to not shade, but it's supposed to match with anyone's skin tone. And there's just sheer tights. They actually kept me really warm even though they're really thin. I've already worn them. And I got them in a size medium. I decided to size up because I have long legs. But I really like them, and they have a shimmer to them. So they like glisten in the sun. Not like extreme amounts where it looks like you're Edward Cullen, but it does give you a nice glow, which I'm obsessed with. A Victoria's Secret candle, which is something new that they have. I got it in the scent Take a Moment. It's supposed to be a good dupe for a Jo Malone candle. I've never owned a Jo Malone candle, but I've been seeing other people say that it's a really good dupe for those type of candles. And it smells really good. It says it has notes of deep breaths, calm comfort and good intentions. Then I got a couple pairs of underwear. I'm not really the type to be like, oh, I'm not gonna show my underwear on YouTube. So I don't really care. So I'm gonna show you all the ones that I haven't worn already. I got these cute green ones. I love the back. Everything will be linked down below, as always. But yeah, super cute. Oh, they're inside out. I love the back of them. They're so cute. And then I got these cute heart ones. Little thong. And we got some pointel, is that what they're called? I don't know. These are the high-rise underwear. I love to wear these when I go to bed. So comfortable. Really cute. And then we have this one, which is like a bikini style, I think. Oh my gosh, how do you even work this? But anyways, it like comes up on the hips like this. So it's like double cut, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like got this design to it. And then I got this cute little bunny underwear. So cute. Wear to bed. And I decided to try their new period underwear. I'm about to start my period, TMI, but I'm gonna try these out and let you all know. I'm gonna wear them to bed. I don't really have a heavy flow, so we'll see how these will work. I'll update you all. Yeah, very interesting. I'm very interested to try those because I think they're brand new for Victoria's Secret. So I had to run and get it, but I got a free blanket. I got a free blanket because I spent so much. I have 2 more things. I'm waiting for one of my packages to come in the mail, waiting on the FedEx guy, and it's like almost 5, but I wanted to go ahead and get this up before the sun goes down. I got this today, which is from Anthropologie. It's this really pretty, what do they call it? Shearling fur little cardigan. It looks so cozy. I'm gonna wear it to work, and like, it'll be great for every day as well, but so cute. It's one size fits all. I love it. It's so pretty, and I got it for like 30% off. Oh wow, it was $200. Wait, that's Canada. It was $180 in US, and I got it for like $120, I think. So I think it was like 30% off, but super cute, very soft, and I'm so excited to style this. Love it. So my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna charge it, and I will see you all later tonight. You did not. So I just got back home, and this is the hair look. I did an all over balayage, and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. So we did that instead of doing all over color this time, so it looked more professionally done. And then I just got my curtain bangs, but I got them shorter than usual. I kind of wanted them to be all like short but like messy type of vibe. But I love my hair. It's so cute. Before I left the salon, my stylist gave me this Verb Ghost Prep Weightless Moisture Heat Protectant. I'm so excited to try this. He uses this in my hair before we style it. And then he also gave me a snowflake cookie, but it broke in my purse. You can tell it was cute. Good morning, guys. Today I think I'm just gonna go thrift shopping and get some coffee. Today's my day off, so I'm just gonna have like a chill type of day. I'm gonna show you my outfit, but also look at my second day hair. It's looking really good. I'm obsessed. Here is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing my new cardigan, which I'm obsessed with. Look how cute it is. Then I have this little sweater from Zara. It's a turtleneck, cropped. Jeans are a Goldie, and then my bag is vintage Coach, and I have a little Glassons clip on it, paired with my Uggs from like middle school. Back from thrifting, and I want to show you what I got. I got some really good stuff. I was not expecting to get anything, but look at these like Christmas sweaters they had. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I just think these are adorable, and they had so many of them. I was like, how can I choose? I had an armful of clothes, and yeah, I love this one. And look at the back. It has like a little snowman on the back. So adorable. Then I got this other holiday vest. It has snowman on it. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. It gives such granny vibes, and that with the turtleneck would be so cute. And then, okay, this one's my favorite. This is my favorite thing I found. I can't believe I found it. I think it needs to be like bleached. I don't know if you could do that, but it's just kind of a little more yellowy than I like. But look at the details. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It has like these knit arms, and then it's like a suede type of vest vibe with a fur collar. Look how adorable that is. I'm so happy I found this. It's so cute. My best find in a long time. Lastly is this gorgeous black trench coat. I had a black one before, but it shed everywhere and I didn't like it. It collected a lot of hair. It's from Nasty Gal. But this one's so cute. It's from Jones, New York. Ah, I love it. It's so beautiful. And it's such a good length. I'm obsessed. We are going to make this little sugar cookie shack beach.
Yes, you're supposed to ice in the walls first.
I'm in the video.
Your face is gonna be on the internet.
Oh.
This is the only thing that turned out good.
Hi everybody! Hi everybody!
Oh my gosh. Wow, very lovely.
Very lovely.
Mm-hmm.